Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a backpack. First, carefully examine the zipper to understand the specific problem. Is it a separated track, a missing tooth, or a slider that just won't budge? Once you've identified the issue, gather your tools. You might need a pair of small pliers, some graphite from a pencil, or even a new zipper pull. Understanding the problem is the first crucial step to a successful repair. For a sticky zipper, a simple trick is to rub a graphite pencil along the teeth. This acts as a lubricant, helping the slider move smoothly. If teeth are bent, use small pliers to gently straighten them, one by one. For a slider that has come off one side, carefully work it back onto the track, ensuring all teeth are aligned. These quick fixes can often save your backpack. Sometimes, the slider itself is the problem and needs replacing. First, you'll need to remove the old slider. This usually involves carefully prying open or cutting the metal stop at one end of the zipper track. Once the old slider is off, slide the new one onto the track, making sure it faces the correct direction. Finally, secure the new slider by crimping a new metal stop or sewing a fabric stop in place. To keep your zippers working smoothly for years, prevention is key. Regularly clean any dirt or debris from the teeth and apply a light lubricant like zipper wax or a silicone spray every few months. Avoid overfilling your backpack, as excessive strain can bend teeth or break sliders. Always close your zippers fully before washing or storing your bag to maintain their shape and function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.